Gold price forecast. XAU USD takes a breather before the US CPI inflation storm. Gold price is holding the fort near $2,350 early Tuesday, having witnessed good two-way businesses on Monday. Gold price now awaits key U.S. fundamental data for a fresh directional move. In the absence of any top-tier U.S. economic data later on Tuesday, the focus will remain on the speeches from the U.S. Federal Reserve, Fed, policymakers. Gold price hangs near record highs. Correction in the offing? Gold price has entered a phase of upside consolidation in the Asian session on Tuesday. As the U.S. dollar licks its wounds while the U.S. Treasury bond yields hold their corrective downside amid a negative shift in risk sentiment. Asian stock markets pair early gains, led by the decline in Chinese indices even as markets stay hopeful of a worldwide manufacturing rebound. Markets are trading more cautiously, as nervousness sets in ahead of Wednesday's all-important U.S. Consumer Price Index (CPI) data release. The U.S. inflation data will affirm the recent pullback in the market expectations of a likely rate cut by the Fed in June. Strong U.S. non-farm payrolls data and hawkish Fed commentaries have weighed on the Fed rate cut bets, with markets now pricing in a roughly 50% chance of another hold in June. The hawkish shift in the market expectations has underpinned the recent upsurge in the U.S. Treasury bond yields. Early Asia. Minneapolis Fed President Neil Kashkari, 2024 non-voter, said that the inflation rate is running around 3% and the Fed has to get back down to 2%, adding that the bank cannot stop short on the inflation fight. However, gold price continues to show resilience to rising U.S. Treasury bond yields and easing geopolitical tensions in the Middle East, in the wake of a gold-buying spree by global central banks, especially by the People's Bank of China, PBOC. A Chinese official reported on Sunday, the Chinese central bank purchased gold for its reserves for the 17th straight month in March. Bullion held by the PBOC rose to 72.74 million fine troy ounces last month, the official said. Turkey, India, Kazakhstan and some Eastern European countries have also been buying gold this year. Per Reuters, renewed central bank demand for the bright metal sent the gold price to another record high above $2,350 on Monday, extending its record-setting rally. Looking ahead, gold traders will take account of Fed speak amid a lack of top-tier U.S. economic data. Meanwhile, position adjustment and profit-taking in gold price cannot be ruled out, as traders gear up for key U.S. inflation report due on Wednesday. A further upside in gold price appears elusive, as the extremely overbought 14-day Relative Strength Index (RSI) conditions continue to threaten a correction. If gold buyers give up, a correction toward the previous record high of $2,331 will be in the offing. The extension of the gold price pullback could test the April 4th high at $2,305, below which the April 5th low of $2,268 will be tested. However, if gold buyers retain control, the all-time high at $2,354 will be the first resistance to scale. A fresh rally toward the $2,370 round figure will be seen only on acceptance above the $2,350 psychological level.